Okay, so I know most of you out there already know a bunch of stuff about computers. But, I want to talk a bit about how they work so you can understand how Python works together with the computer. Think of it as, doing brain surgery on your computer. Yeah. Let's do this? Okay, so I'll try to keep this short and simple. Just a few concepts we need to learn to understand how Python works with your computer. Here we go! Now if you think about this, your computer is very similar to you in many ways. For example, your computer listens to you for instructions from your keyboard to do whatever you want it to do for you. It can't think on its own. You need to tell it what to do. So you give your computer instructions through its input. Once it hears the instructions you given through your keyboard as input, it uses its CPU or central processing unit to understand the instructions you sent to it. The CPU is like a computer's brain. Your computer even has a place inside of it where it can store things in memory for later when it needs to remember. Except, this memory never forgets. Awesome, huh? So, for example, if you ask your computer to start up your favorite game, it will listen to your instructions when you type on a keyboard to start the game. Then we'll send it to your CPU, and the CPU will use all of its brain power to compute, run, and display your game on your screen. Then, once it finishes processing your instructions, the CPU sends the output to your screen. Voila! Minecraft!
Daniel, dinner is ready.
Okay. I'll be there in a minute. Thanks, Mom. So where was I? Oh yes, so this is where the last part of your computer comes into play. We don't want to lose all those sweet buildings we put together in Minecraft. So, to keep it ready for us when we come back, we will save it to your computer's super smart memory. Then, when we come back from dinner, we instruct the computer through the keyboard that, hey, want to keep playing Minecraft right where we left off. Then, the computer hears your instructions, and sends these to the CPU to execute. The super powerful CPU starts Minecraft. But first, it tells the computer memory that, hey, this kid wants to continue where he left off. You did save his place where you left off, right, Mr. Memory? Of course I did, says Mr. Memory. And sends all the saved information to your screen. And there you have it, all this power right in that little computer box you have in your hands. Who knew, right? Alright my friends, that wasn't so bad. Now that you know a bit about how the computer works, we can move on to the next lesson. See you soon friends!